Hospital. My colleagues, Dr. Neeraj Goyal, liver transplant surgery, Dr. Sudhir Tyagi, neurosurgeon, Dr. Tandon, orthopedic and joint replacements, myself, Shaheen, I'm a plastic surgeon, and Dr. Kaul, surgical oncologist. Dr. Mushtaq, who is the owner of Amina Hospital, will first just address us and tell you what the plans are, and then Dr. Kaul will then give you more details about what we plan to do here. Thank you.
Me. Good afternoon, everybody. I'm Dr. Mushtaq from Amina Hospital.
So you're not audible to us.
ये creative Good afternoon, everybody. I'm Dr. Mushtaq from Amina Hospital. We are really rather not happy, but excited to have top consultants of our country here with us here. Dr. Sameer Kaul, Dr. Shaheen, Dr. Havin Tandon, Dr. Sanjay Sikka, Dr. Sudhir Kumar Tyagi, Dr. Sandeep Guleria, and Dr. Neeraj Goyal. You see, our hospital is not a big institution. We started about 4 years back. We assured to the people of this state, and we will give a quality service. And we then we have to, same thing we convey to our surgeons here, everybody. They will get a quality service. They will, if somebody wants to operate, surgeon, he should have a sterile atmosphere and a very good post-operative care. Alhamdulillah, we did that. Our surgeons, they were very much comfortable. Our work increased. We, from 3 to 5 operation theaters we put in. And yes, I want to mention one thing here. The consultants of our place here, they're also very, very good consultants. They did a magnificent job. You see, everywhere in the whole world, wherever there is surgery, there is morbidity, there is mortality. Maybe in some bigger institutions it's less, but some smaller institutions may be more. But by grace of Almighty Allah, we did very good. But then came a point where we thought, because there's a provision for the improvement is there everywhere, particularly in this field, it came to us, we came to a point where we found that there should be a bigger center for super specialized services. We need a cooperation with a bigger center. And we surveyed a bit here, there, we surveyed, and to be frank enough with you, we didn't find any institution better than this Apollo Hospital. No doubt about it. You see, I have traveled the whole world. I have traveled to America, Europe, and everywhere. And this institution, this great institution, Apollo Hospital, is no way inferior to them. The world's top institutions. So we are very, very lucky. We then conveyed same thing to when we are satisfied about this hospital. Apollo Hospital is a very big institution, and we'll get a quality services. And we approached them, and their 2-3 teams came to our hospital. They were satisfied with our services, and finally we had an MOU with this hospital, Apollo Hospital. And again, I say, the people of this place, they are very, very lucky. For highly specialized services, they need not to go to Delhi now. They will be seen here. Whatever is possible, every sort of surgery will be doing here. Yes, I want to name one person, 2 persons here. That is Dr. Sameer Kaul, who played a very, very good role for this cooperation. Dr. Sameer Kaul, everybody must be knowing, he's a renowned oncosurgeon, very much being loved by the people of this state, and very, very, very competent surgeon. Dr. Shaheen also visited our hospital once, twice. We're really thankful to him also. Here I want to add one point here. The people, particularly, of course, no doubt about, for us, it will be it's a great opportunity to have these top consultants of not our country, but world's top consultants here. there for so many things, I mean, which were not possible here. Highly specialized services, they had to go to Delhi. But inshallah, they will be seen here only. Today only we started our they started our consultation with a very, very big crowd here, and so that way people, they are very, very lucky. And here I want to add one more point. It's just an initial days, just early days, and we have a plan of a bigger cooperation in near future. And we will try on our part, we'll try our best for the success of this cooperation, and I expect same from the management of the Apollo Hospital. Thank you, sir.
Adab, good afternoon, Sat Sri Akal. First of all, I'd like to thank members of the media fraternity for having accepted the invitation to be here for this event. This event is about healthcare. It is about closing gaps of healthcare in India. Equal access to all. Unfortunately, there are many deficiencies in the healthcare still worldwide, all over, not only in this part of the world or in this country or in our state, all over the world. The commonest is the quality of healthcare over a period of time is getting better, but the same quality of healthcare should be available to all the population uniformly. That was not possible for a long time in this country because the major and the better institutions were located in certain parts of the country, usually in the major metropolitan towns and cities. And towards the peripheries, that healthcare would not percolate, and whatever was offered through the government sector was what was available to the populations. Then after that, changes occurred. Ayushman Bharat, for that matter, is a very major change that I want to mention. It is one of the best things to have happened for distribution of healthcare anywhere in the world. Let me tell you, for a lot of time, even in North America, elections were won and lost on the basis of the failed healthcare or a successful healthcare. Clinton, whoever came, they tried to make their own healthcare system. But let me tell you, even in the best country, why I am giving you the example of America, even in the best so-called maximum available of money available for healthcare in the world is North America. Even there are deficiencies and glaring deficiencies in healthcare. Their deficiencies are different. Ours were different because everybody, good healthcare, good latest services, latest drugs, latest innovations were not reaching the population uniformly up to the periphery. But that slowly got better, and it is getting better. And Ayushman Bharat, let me again tell you, it was a major thing. There are problems with Ayushman Bharat or the Golden Card also. But the problems are that the rates that they have offered, there is no rationalization. Because if they have rationalization, then that healthcare, because good healthcare costs money. And government only has an X amount of money to spend on it. Where will the rest of money come from? It has to come from somewhere. Someone has to be paying for it. And it comes out of the taxes of this country, for that matter. And that, although they have marginally increased the spend on healthcare by about 1% or so, a lot more is required. But the private sector, 70%, I am again reiterating, 70% of the clinical care that is given in this country is given by the private sector, which has been ignored. Unfortunately, Jammu and Kashmir also went through 30 to 40 years of turmoil. And in that, everything suffered. Everybody suffered. So did healthcare. So the advancements that were to happen from time to time got delayed. And now, because things seem to be a little bit better on the ground, those advancements seem to be happening now. तो यद्यपि advancement, what is the advancement that you're talking about? For instance, first of all, everybody should simple awareness that every human being after the age of a particular thing, first of all, prevention. Children need vaccination so that prevention of disease can occur rather than spending money on the care. Preventive aspects. After COVID, that has gotten enhanced, so vaccinations for children, health checkups for children, as preventive, not when the health breaks down, as something to prevent disease occurring, to increase the wellness level, is very important, and that you will see will slowly start happening. Preventive clinics and health checkups for all individuals, whether they be children, or adult males or women. Then the levels of healthcare, things like liver transplant, things like corneal transplant, things like kidney transplant, things like deep brain stimulation for Parkinsonism, brain tumors, their effective treatment, things like cancer, its latest techniques like immunotherapy, good chemotherapy, latest drugs. They are expensive, but they should be available to everybody. Now, all these attempts, if the private sector comes in and makes an attempt and aids the government in increasing the healthcare situation of any part of the country, right now we are talking about Jammu and Kashmir, it is something to be hailed, because awareness levels rise, all these services become available, and they become available to all those people despite their economic status, slowly. And Ayushman Bharat is helping in that. Some rationalization of rates needs to happen there, and they will do it over a period of time. On the other hand, what is important is the private medical sector. So I am talking at the moment about announcing a collaboration about Apollo. Why am I happy? Because collaborations are always good. Collaborations is when two people, two organizations, two sets of individuals, two sets of professionals join hands to provide something better for the population. It is a step forward and a step to be hailed. अब आप बोलोगे कि भाई ठीक है, बाहर वाले आ रहे हैं, सारे आ रहे हैं, आप भी आ रहे हो, आप क्या बड़ी बात कर रहे हो? ये आने दो. I want what is happening today, this collaboration between the top healthcare corporate of India, which is Apollo Medical Corporation, and let us say Amina Multispecialty Hospital. It should be a case in point, it should be an example of collaboration, and the others should also do that. There should be a local stakeholder in progress. People from here should participate in the progress for everything. Why only healthcare? Education should do the same thing. Power development should do the same thing. Social welfare should do the same thing. Collaborations between a corporate from outside and a corporate from here, it cannot be done unilaterally. Jab tak communities, viewpoints, local sensibilities on board nahi aayenge, you will not get homogeneous progress. So in healthcare, if doctors from here collaborate with doctors from outside, believe me, it is a good step. And I am telling other private sectors here, there are other hospitals here, let them also go ahead for similar collaborations. Why should somebody from outside come and make their own hospital? How will they understand the local sensibilities? The professionals from here have to be taken on board. Businesses from here have to be taken on board. It should be collaborations. That is when it will work. It will be a win-win for everybody. You get better medical care, the people will get something good. The local hospital owners will get an upgrading, and they will form systems, protocols, better software, digitalization, health records, better standards of healthcare they will deliver. People from outside, like a hospital like Apollo, will get more reach. They will get more reach, and they will reach. और हम सिर्फ बोलने से ही नहीं, जम्मू कश्मीर हिंदुस्तान का ताज है. वो ताज बनेगा करने से. जब आप यहाँ से शुरू करोगे, मैं तो कहता हूँ अपोलो हॉस्पिटल के लिए फक्र है कि हिंदुस्तान के ताज से लेकर कन्याकुमारी तक उनकी डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन है. That's what makes them great and big. It is about people. It is about providing better services to people. It is about being communicative. It is about raising levels. It is about mixing with the populations. I am happy when my friends from Delhi will come every month. Now it is going to happen 2 times a month. And there will be presence of super specialists from outside throughout the month. It is no longer that aaye or gaye or chale gaye. No, there will be continuous care, and we will do it with the help of Amina Hospital and its professionals, doctors, because we find them absolutely capable of providing us the support and being. It's good for us to be with them, and it's good for them to be with us. And let's just hope that the fruits of that percolate to the population around us. So, the message that I want to give everybody, that these collaborations जिसमें अपोलो और आमिना मिल रहे हैं, मैं कहता हूं और मिलो, बाकी हॉस्पिटलों को भी मैं बोलता हूं आप भी करो, बिकॉज उससे म्यार ट्रीटमेंट का, प्रिवेंशन का, वेलनेस का, अवेयरनेस, हेल्थ अवेयरनेस का बढ़ेगा. बढ़ाओ, इस कंट्री के लिए बढ़ाओ, अपने लोगों के लिए बढ़ाओ, अपने स्टेट के लिए बढ़ाओ. और जहां जहां पर भी मैं एक्सप्लोर करता हूं कि आप अगर आयुष्मान भारत गोल्ड कार्ड भी यूज कर सकते हैं इस सारे प्रोसेस में, दैट आई विल लीव अप टू यू. इसको स्ट्रेटेजाइज करके अगर गवर्नमेंट से भी बात करने पड़े उनको बड़े कि मिक्सचर करके जो लोगों को मिलेगा वो बहुत अच्छा मिलेगा, बिकॉज स्टैंडर्ड्स विल बी एक्सीलेंट. एंड आई थिंक इट इज अप टू अस टू मेक श्योर दैट वी मेंटेन दोज स्टैंडर्ड्स, maintain the protocols, maintain it from everything, from the timing of an appointment to the communication with the patient and its family, and trying to organize monies, social service support, emotional support, dietetic support, everything for them. It has to be comprehensive. So, transplant, neurosurgery, joint replacement surgery, Dr. Tandon, plastic and reconstructive surgery, hair transplants, fillers. If today is the day where everybody wants to look good, and why not? So enhancing physical situation, burns of the highest degree and saving those lives, that is what it is going to be all about. Cardiac involvement, जो चीज यहां हो सकेगी वो हम कोशिश करेंगे यहीं पे करने की, so that वहां होटलों में, गाड़ियों में, गर्मी में लोगों को खकर ना लगे, वो हम कोशिश करेंगे. बट जो चीज अभी यहां नहीं हो पाएगी उसको हम लोग दिल्ली में करेंगे. लेकिन अदरवाइज ज्यादा से ज्यादा चीजें, एंडोस्कोपीज, ERCP प्रोसीजर्स, बायोप्सीज, जो चीजें यहां हो सके, रीनल ट्रांसप्लांट्स, जो भी यहां हो सकेगा हमारी कोशिश रहेगी यहां करने की. उसमें हमको डॉक्टर मुश्ताक साहब की और इनके कुलीग्स की, आमिना हॉस्पिटल की कोऑपरेशन की जरूरत पड़ेगी हर लेवल पे. मेरी इनसे ये गुजारिश है कि जब भी हम कोई चीज बताएं या करें, क्योंकि ये कारवां चल पड़ा है, इसमें अब नर्चर करना है, इसको कम्युनिकेशन रखनी है, बुरा नहीं मानना है एक दूसरे की बात का, सहन शक्ति रखनी है, क्योंकि इसको बाग को फूलों से सजाने में वक्त लगेगा, मेहनत लगेगी. एक दूसरे ईगोज हैव टू टेक अ सेकंड सीट. इट्स नॉट अबाउट ईगोज हमको मारते हैं. आई एम टेलिंग यू, मैं एज अ कश्मीरी डॉक्टर बोल रहा हूं आपको कि हमारे बिगेस्ट एनिमी इज अवर ईगो and our attitude. We have some of the most skilled professional doctors in this state, keen minds and very knowledgeable. But let me make this confession that what has been my obstacles in my life, my inhibition in my life has been my ego. So I think attitude to delivering healthcare, being available round the clock to your patients, empathizing with them, communicating with them, and trying to do whatever best is possible to keep your minds and hearts open. Of course, it's important to make some money also, because ये कोई बोलेगा कि नहीं वो, no, money is important. Money is important because that oils the machine. Nothing is for free. There are no free lunches even in a family. So that's all I want to say. And मुश्ताक साहब, आपने बात की, मैं चाहूंगा कि मेरे कुलीग्स भी बात करें और वो भी आपको ये अपील करें कि लोगों तक ये मैसेज पहुंचाएं. नाउ वी आर अवेलेबल राउंड द मंथ, सारे महीने. तो ऐसा नहीं होगा कि आज आपको डॉक्टर मिलेगा कल नहीं मिलेगा, और उसकी कम्युनिकेशन चैनल्स ओपन रहेंगी. और जितना भी पॉसिबल है हम इस सारे हेल्थ केयर सिस्टम में जितनी भी कोशिश हम करेंगे, हम इसको बेटर करने की, इसका मेयार अच्छा करने की, और ये हर एक तक पहुंचे, जिसके पास पैसे हों उस तक भी, जिसके पास कम हो उस तक भी, जिसके पास ज्यादा हो उस तक भी. That's all. It is our effort to make a contribution in this regard. आप लोगों की कोऑपरेशन और प्यार और मोहब्बत भी जरूरत है.
Thank you.
शाहीन.
Thank you, Dr. Kaur. Thank you, Dr. Kaur. I will ask Dr. Arvind Tandon and Dr. Tyagi and Dr. Guleria and Dr. Goel to say a few words.
ये दे दीजिए.
So I am Dr. Guleria. I am a transplant specialist. I specialize in, मैं renal transplant में specialize करता हूँ. और अपोलो जो है वो वर्ल्ड लीडर है ट्रांसप्लांटेशन में. तो यहाँ इस पार्टनरशिप से हमें ये फायदा रहेगा that we will bring cutting edge technology to the valley. And I anyway have a large number of patients who have been transplanted in Kashmir. शेर कश्मीर में मैंने ट्रांसप्लांट किए हुए हैं. तो ये this is a golden opportunity for the valley and Apollo Hospital to work together. And I am really looking forward to this cooperation.
Yeah, I'm Dr. Neeraj Goel. I'm a liver transplant specialist at Apollo Delhi, and I think liver disease is on the rise in the country. Okay, I mean you look at viral diseases, you look at alcoholic liver disease, fatty liver disease. Fatty liver disease is a new epidemic. India is called the diabetes capital of the world. 100 million 10 करोड़ लोग इंडिया में डायबिटीज से सफर कर रहे हैं, एंड दे ऑल लीड टू लिवर डिजीज. 75% ऑफ द पीपल जिनको डायबिटीज है उनको लिवर डिजीज इवेंचुअली हो जाएगी. So it is extremely important that it is also awareness is brought out in the valley, and the facilities for liver transplant, which is extremely complex surgery, a very cutting edge technology is required for it, and a lot of multidisciplinary approach is required for it, which is very evident at Apollo Delhi, and we hope that this cooperation brings about more awareness, more technological transfer to Srinagar and to Kashmir, and more doctors here get trained so that यहाँ के जो लोग हैं उनको ये फैसिलिटी यहीं पर मिले.
So good afternoon everyone. I am Dr. Sudhir Kumar Tyagi. I am a neurosurgeon. I operate brain and spine. So we have done many first things in the country at Apollo Hospital, like deep brain stimulation surgery for the movement disorder and the intractable epilepsy and the dystonias, spinal cord stimulation for the paraplegic patients and for intractable pain after the spinal injuries, the patient who are having very difficult spasticity, the baclofen pump implantation. All these things are done for the first time in India at Apollo Hospital, New Delhi. Now the osteotactic radiosurgery, we call it JAPEX surgery, in which we treat the deep-seated brain tumor which are not amenable for the open brain surgery or microsurgery. Then we treat these patients from just outside, so bloodless treatment, and patient stays only 1 or 2 days. It can be done through the OPD also. This is one of the first machine in the world, in the Southeast Asian world, and we are already done more than 100 cases now since March 2024. So these are the things which we have already done first time in India at Apollo Hospital, brain and spine. So all these things will be approachable to the patient from the Kashmir, and we are here to contribute in the healthcare system with the help of our neurosurgeon in the Amina Hospital. We will be working together, and we will try to get whatever we can do here, we will do here, and the treatment will be approachable to the most of the patients who are not available here. Thank you.
गुड आफ्टरनून प्रेस के सारे दोस्तों, आप लोगों ने समय निकाला है. डॉक्टर मुश्ताक साहब, आपने ये बहुत बढ़िया पहल ली है. जम्मू एंड कश्मीर स्पेशली श्रीनगर का सारे के सारे लोगों का इतना प्यार अपोलो हॉस्पिटल के साथ और विश्वास रहा है, एंड वी आर लकी दैट अब हमारे पास एक लोकल पार्टनर भी जिसके बहुत ज्यादा विश्वास एंड फेथ यहाँ की पब्लिक में है, हमारे साथ जुड़ रहा है। मैं डॉक्टर टंडन ऑर्थोपेडिक सर्जन हूँ, जॉइंट रिप्लेसमेंट एंड आर्थ्रोस्कोपी वर्क करता हूँ, दूरबीन से सर्जरीज। कई चीजें जो यहाँ के पेशेंट्स दिल्ली आके कराते थे, हमें उम्मीद है यहाँ के भी बहुत अच्छे सर्जन्स हमारे दोस्त हैं, हम मिल के वो सारी चीजें यहाँ भी शुरू कर पाएंगे। साथ में पेशेंट का फॉलो अप के लिए जो उन्हें दिल्ली आना पड़ता था बाय एयर या जैसे भी, वो सब चीजों में उनको ज्यादा आसानी, ज्यादा सहूलियत होगी। आई एम श्योर आप सब लोगों की मदद से ये मैसेज जाएगा पूरी जनता में कि ये फैसिलिटी अब जॉइंटली यहीं पे अवेलेबल होगी, और आप सबके कोऑपरेशन से हम ये मैसेज सब लोगों को पहुंचाना चाहते हैं। थैंक यू।
And finally, I'm Shahin. I'm a plastic surgeon. You all know me. We've met in the past, in the recent past. So you know what I do. I will not go any further. But thank you all for spending this time with us. If there are any questions for anybody, you can just direct those questions to ask. Oh, sorry, I didn't see it. Dr. Sikka is just